Hello again. Here is question 24 from the 2013 exam. We've got a random variable and a distribution there. We've got to find the expected value, variance. Okay, we've got to start off with the expected value. Well, for the expected value, when you have these tables, you just multiply the x value times its probability and then do that for each one and add them all up. So let's just do that. Expected value is equal to negative 0.5 times 0.08 plus 0, I don't even bother writing it down, 0 times 0.84, we know what, that's going to be nothing, plus 0.5 times 0.08. Okay, let's work out what comes here. So this, now it's just a, let's see if we can multiply. 0.5 is a half. I've got negative a half of that. Well, half of 0.08 is 0.04, and it's negative, so negative 0.04. Plus nothing, plus on the end, well, we've got half 0.08, which is 0.04. One's a negative, one's a positive. Nothing. The expected value of x is nothing. Next bit, to find the variance. Now, to find the variance of x, we have to have the expected value of x squared minus the expected value of x all squared. So for this we now have to work out what the expected value of x squared is. So to do that you have to square the x values and then multiply by the probability, do it for each one and add them all up. So let's do that and see what we get. We need to find the expected value of x squared. So we square the x values. Let's I'll put it all in, 0.05 squared times 0.08. The middle term will be nothing because we're going to do 0 squared, so I won't bother writing that down. And then on the end we get plus 0.5 squared times 0.08. When a negative gets squared, it turns into a positive, and a half squared is a quarter, because 0.5 is a half, or you could 0.5 times 0.5 gives you 0.25 times 0.08, plus the same again, 0.25 times 0.08. Now a quarter of 0.08 will be 0.02 plus 0.02. You could multiply that out with, if you weren't so comfortable changing your decimal into fractions. Whichever way, you get that, and you add those together, and you get 0.04. That now, the variance then is equal to the expected value of x squared, which is 0.04, minus expected value of x all squared, which will be nothing. So it's 0.04. And finally, the standard deviation. Now, standard deviation squared is the variance, and that comes to 0.04. So that's the standard deviation. Is the square root of the variance, which is the square root of 0.04, which is 0.2. That is that.